got the Sy-Green. I keep wanting to call it a cooler. This little latch here opens up, and honestly, I thought it was one of those things where it's super tiny on the inside. We can see it's good sized in there. There's the top, nice and thick, good insulation. Got the controls right there. You got handles on both sides. There's your cooling fan. That's down to 50 degrees already. All right. Sy-Green for providing us with this cooler, and I know we've been wanting to get something like this for the family for the longest time. We picked one up at a, what is it, a thrift store, years ago. I think lasted, a month before it died. Never really got cold or anything. These things are fantastic. I really love the Sy-Green cooler.